drive past this every day, so I thought I'd go at a little pick in it. Very busy train line. Nearly finished. I managed to get everything. That's the full bag. I've now got to get this across a main road and put it in an open top bin. Back in a minute. Right, that took longer than I thought it was going to take, to be honest. It's a very busy road as well, so I had cars coming past and, you know, having a good watch. So I've taken it across the other main road, then all this down here. There's loads hiding in the bushes. Oh, there's a bank.